Okay, now we're gonna install an arc backdrop, and it's pretty simple, okay? They're gonna come separated by sizes if your reservation has more than one of them, but basically you have a base like this, and the rule is base, straight piece, round, round, okay? And you put all of the screws facing the same side. So from the base, I can see that my screws are facing that side, and I'll keep them there. So they're facing here, I'll put them here. The only rule, so straight, another straight one in this side, is to put the screws facing the same side, and that side is gonna be then the back of your backdrop, okay? So keep the screws facing the same side. Okay. Now I made base, straight, round, round. Okay, always with the screws facing the same side. All good. Now we just put this sheet together. Like this, and you come and dress it with the cover.